NFTs have changed the world, and it's safe to say that the year of 2021 can be called year of NFTs. It all happens because this NFT sphere broke on through to the other side, and people from outside crypto started talking about what the hell is NFT. As we know, NFTs are a great way to represent art and as well make a good profit. But what if I say that NFTs can do even more? Like, how can we make NFTs more valuable than they really are? To answer this question, we have prepared a cool project for you today, and it's called ENVELOP. So like and subscribe as usual, and if you want to see your project reviewed, hit us up in the description. So let us dive into this project already. ENVELOP is a cross-chain protocol that allows your NFTs to be used as storage for cryptocurrencies or other NFTs, so you can power your NFT with inner value and liquidity. It's formally called NIFTSY as the project's token that we're going to talk about later. And I think this ENVELOP name suits the project better because it is based solely on the wrapping technology, just like you do with the regular envelope when sending a letter on a paper. So as I said before, you can add cryptocurrencies, tokens, LP tokens, set a time lock, and also set up royalties percentage for your NFTs, and then send the whole gang into one single piece. Just amazing. Creators can receive the royalties with just each transaction, not only on the marketplace, but also wholly on chain. You can even add cryptocurrencies and tokens inside a wrapped NFT after it's been wrapped. So that's really complex, but also cool. ENVELOP is based on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, and also on Polygon, and more blockchains are to be added in future as promised. Okay, so you may ask, what cryptocurrencies can I deposit inside NFTs? Well, mainly it depends on the blockchain that was used for NFT minting. And if your NFT was minted on Ethereum, for example, you can add ETH tokens, ERC20 from the whitelist. As well, it works from Binance Smart Chain, so it's BNB and other Binance Smart Chain tokens from the whitelist. So the same process works for Polygon, from this Matic net, and for the further nets that will be added as well. So let's talk about other perks of ENVELOP, and let's see that on their website. NFT market is a single access point, of course, so you can operate with NFTs emerging from any marketplaces connected directly to ENVELOP. It is also cross-chain tokenization, so with ENVELOP you can tokenize any physical or digital object as well as financial assets and trade them all regardless of the blockchain. You can also discover the price. So here steps in the Oracle that will help you to set the right floor price for your NFTs in case you have any doubts about the price tag. And let's speak about Oracle more and the main components that structure ENVELOP right now. So there are three core components of the project, and I would say there is also one more, so it makes four. So let's talk about the first. So it is protocol. It is the thing that wraps collateral, distributes royalties, adds value from transaction to wrapped collateral. So that's the thing that puts inside the collateral for some royalties to be paid. The next thing is Oracle that monitors the transactions of NFTs, filters spam transactions, and increase the value of NFTs depending on the transactions performed. It helps when creating composed NFTs. Well, remember that inside NFTs store multiple assets. It might take some time to estimate it right. So the Oracle here is to help you. So with these such complex things, it's really helpful, and especially in the field of trading and some marketplaces to give these automated scorings for selling NFTs, of course. And the third one is Index. This is the thing that monitors the market activity from different sources, providing an objective picture of the market in real time. So you can put different tokens related to different projects, different markets in one single transaction and make it like your own index. And the fourth thing that I want to talk about is the token of the project called NIFTSY. So let's see the token stats right now in this screenshot. And I want to say that it was released in the late October of 2021. This token is used to compose all these three parts together, and it's also used to get income from DAOs with a model based on micro DAO principle. So it's like the holder of tokens can choose what sector they want to invest in, like GameFi, marketplaces, trading platforms, compose NFTs, and etc. Okay, so let's see how we can create such wrapped NFTs ourselves. For that, let's dive into my desktop and see how this process actually works. Okay, so as you can see, we are on the NIFTSY.io website, and here's an app tab that we can click in, and I have it already open, so we just move right into it and see what's going to happen next. So as you can see, we can connect our wallet to that platform and select the chain. So we go to the app, select the chain where our NFTs are. So in my case, it's Ethereum. And the app can automatically scan your wallet to find NFTs available. So in my case, it has found one. So I have this Monotol collection NFT, and you can continue wrap. So I already did some tweaks and knobs. And if you want to do this manually, you can wrap the NFT yourself by inputting here NFT address, the token ID, and click wrap now. And also non-fungible token wrap, absolutely free for author. You should only pay for the gas. So this is super cool option to have. So let's see on my example how we can wrap our NFT. So you just click continue wrap and see what's going to happen. So yeah, here's our NFT. We can put collateral in it, so we can deposit some assets here. In my case, Ethereum. We can choose something else if we pick different chain. So let's just make it randomly and see the process, how it's working. So just enable fees. We'll maybe DAI, for example. Set up the percentage of royalties. 15% will do. And we can select the royalty recipient, so we can like input our own address or select our friends' ones and maybe another. So it's kind of convenient to have so many options here. There's also fee unlock. So let's see, unwrap will be available only after accumulated transfer fee will achieve this amount. So that's really cool to have this option as well. It's just so cool to have this time unlock and to make it unraveled after some time. Okay, so after that we click wrap token, and I believe it will automatically be wrapped. You should only pay for the gas as well. And this will be marked, I believe, with WNFT, like it will be shown on the marketplace or some kind of that, so we can distinguish it from another NFT. So that's really cool to have these adjustments, so many options here, and it broadens the horizon of NFT, and we'll talk about it later. So as I believe, they will be later marked as wrapped NFTs, like WNFT or so. And if you have succeeded to make the wrap of your NFT, please let us know in the comment section down below. Okay, so let's summarize the previous. How this process actually works. We firstly create an NFT on ENVELOP, wrap it with collateral, and then sell. The transfer will be registered by the Oracle, and the protocol will put a share of the money paid on the transfer into the wrapped collateral, elevating the NFT's value. The index will register the transfer and will reflect it in its market statistics for everyone to see. So that's pretty basic procedure of ENVELOP. So let's see what use cases can this platform offer. And the first thing that I think of is very useful for creators. One of the first marketplaces to incorporate ENVELOP technology is NFT Stars. They allow its users to create storage for their NFTs and other cryptocurrencies inside the original NFT. The NFT Stars creators can transfer their artwork into a basket holding several other tokens, and well, this is the process how they describe their partnership with ENVELOP. It can be used to instill real value and stabilize the price of their artwork. Artists then can customize their NFTs with unique settings like value or time lock, and the owner won't be able to withdraw deposited assets until a specific time. So that's the time lock that is stepping in. So artists can gamify their pieces and create a collection of works under just one single token and then unravel one layer at a time. So this new feature will grant these NFT Stars users and artists the advantage in the market, like so many broad options. Besides creating unique NFTs, users will have a tool at their disposal to set up royalties. So every time their artwork gets resold, the artist automatically receives a share of the proceeds. And don't forget actually that there are on-chain royalties, not only on NFT Stars marketplace, but from any transaction from the blockchain. So as I understand, this envelope technology is solely used through different marketplaces and partners like NFT Stars, and I believe there will be more added in the future. They have cooperated with plenty of them, and besides they have this cool DAO perspective. Envelope is also based on DAO principles, and they have Envelope DAO that will have native products that will be marked in some specific ways. So as we've seen, there is erupting technology, there is also farming, and there will be added soon a launchpad or like to sell something in their platform. That's super cool to have such perspectives in the further growth. Another super cool thing about Envelope is that their team is 100% public, which is super great. So you can reach out like everyone in their socials, LinkedIn, communicate with each one. In Telegram, they reply sometimes. So I got my reply for myself. So it means that they are confident about their project 100%, don't afraid to take this responsibility and put their face out. So that's super great to know that. There are also some big names and partners involved in investing this project, which means that they really trust this technology and project. They have this perspective for NFT wrapping, and they are really interested in how this platform will be developing in the future. So to sum it up, that's what Envelope project is about. It's pretty innovative, I'd say. Like this Envelope brings something new to the market finally, when there were only simple NFTs like drawings, pixelated pictures, creatures, etc. They've broadened the horizon of the basic NFT concept, like showing these dynamic NFTs based on economics, enriching existing token formats and functionalities. So that's super cool to know that, and it's definitely worth checking them out to see how this technology will go in development in the future. Okay, folks, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, send them right into the comment section. We'll be happy to chat always. So have a great day and see you soon in next videos.